Okay, so today I am in Twinmotion 2024. If anyone has never used Twinmotion before, I highly recommend you use it. There's no programming involved at all, so if you don't like to code, that's fine. It's really relaxing. I I really enjoyed using it. So I am in the tutorial, the lake house treat, and in the lake house treat, it automatically has it populated with people, a house. It has a really nice background. And if you don't want something in there, like for instance, if you didn't want Antoine in there, you can just click on it. You can delete him or you can hide him if you want. One of the things is one of the big things is that when you're either making a video or you're going to import it into another game engine or a presentation, whatever you're going to be using, it's always hard to find sound. You have to search for it, make sure it's not copyrighted. Well, in here you have the library. Let me click on library. And under library, you can click on objects. And it has home, city, particles, water, doors. I think I'm just going to click on sound. And I'm going to click on people. And I'm going to click on Far Talk Crowd. They have a lot of people. There you go. And you can reduce it. And you can put the different distance. I'll put the distance this way. Okay. So there you have the sound that way. And I'm going to try to go in to the bathroom. I'm scrolling with the middle mouse button. Just scroll forward. I can scroll back. And now I am going to drag in. They have like a little fountain that kind of sounds like a water for a bathtub. I just absolutely love this. I think I can. Let me go back to sounds. Underwater. I didn't try. Let me just put underwater right here. No, that's too much of the beautiful ocean. I'll just put the fountain back in there. Yeah, just sounds like water running, just for the ambience. So let me put that down. So I'm gonna go in. Let me put it. I'll put that a little bit louder. Okay, excellent. As you can see, just by sound, how it can change a scene. Okay, so let me go ahead and I think I want more. Let me go back. Let me go to a distance. There's a bridge right here. Not pretty water. Not beautiful. It's moving. Sometimes it's just hard to believe that this is free. So I'm going to add a person right here. Now, what you can do, you can import it in from Mixamo, and you can add somebody that might be fishing if you want in here, or the characters that they already have in here. They have some posed humans, cutouts, if you wanted. And I think they pretty much used a lot of posed humans in here, but let me see what they have with the animated. Like I said, you can always go to Mixamo. If you don't know what Mixamo is, it's by Adobe, and you can import in a character that already has movement. So let me see. I think I'm going to import in someone that looks really relaxed. Oh, he looks relaxed. I'm gonna drag him in there. Let me turn him around. There you go. And with this particular young man, I think I'm going to have him sit down on the rock. Kind of put him down there a little bit. Now, if I wanted to go to Mixamo, I would choose a fishing animation. This is what I wanted to tell you, just in case anyone was curious. So here, fishing, for instance, let's say it's fishing idle or fishing cast. Let me click on fishing cast. And you can import this character into Twinmotion. And you're going to have to put a fishing pole in his hand. But I just wanted to let you know that you can import this into Twinmotion if you weren't familiar, and import it in here. It has different sitting, but it looks like he's looking at the ocean. So excellent. And what I hope everyone takes a look at Twinmotion 2024, the Lake House Retreat. It's very unique, and it will save you a lot of time. And most important is what? It's free. Everybody have a great day.